The activity for this unit is very easy, very simple, but it will look very effective if done correctly. So there's a few steps you have to do. First of all, you need to cut out the map of Japan. And when you have all the pieces, the four main islands of Japan, you're going to trace around the islands of Japan on a nice bright piece of paper. So you can use pink paper, you can use blue paper, you can use paper bought in from home, you can use newspaper if you want to. But what I want you to do is to trace around them so that you're going to get a good design of Japan on nice bright paper. Not too difficult. Now we're going to have to cut these ones out again. Hopefully it will still look like the Japan that we copied the first time. We're just going to paste it around the edge of the toilet roll. Doesn't matter if it goes over. Get some glue and just paste it along there. Okay, so now we've got to fit the four main islands of Japan onto our toilet roll. I'm going to make sure that they're facing the right way. So I'm going to start with Hokkaido. Hokkaido is the largest, and we're just going to poke it so it's a little bit off the top. Now make sure that the little tail bit is at the bottom of Hokkaido and the pointy bit is at the top. So if it's wrong, you're going to have to move it before your glue sets. So we've got Hokkaido in there. The next one is the big long one, is called Honshu. And Honshu goes just underneath Hokkaido and all the way down to the bottom. Kind of goes around. So you're going to see it goes around the toilet roll. Around to the back of the toilet roll. Then we've got underneath here in this little space is Shikoku. Shikoku is the smaller one, and its pointy bits go to the bottom. And finally, right at the bottom, we've got Kyushu. Now Kyushu is at the bottom of Honshu. So all up, Japan should come all the way around. Oops. And go to the bottom of your toilet roll. What we're going to do now is we're going to label them. On your worksheet, you've got the labels: Shikoku, Kyushu, Honshu, Hokkaido, and of course Nihon is for Japan. So we're going to deal with these four labels. We're going to cut them out. Can you remember which order they go in? You might need to look back into your book. I'm not going to tell you here, I just told you. And you're going to paste them onto your map. Final step is to grab your compass or another sharp pin or something like that, and we're going to put two holes on opposite sides. Be careful not to stick this through your finger as you're putting it through. That's what the holes look like when they're done. And we've got the four main islands of Japan. We'll hang them up and we'll have all different colour Japan around our classroom. You can bring in your own paper if you want to, and bring in something and make something of your own doing. But we do have to make sure that the size is about the size of a toilet roll, otherwise your Japan won't fit on the page.